Active Directory Certificate Services, ADCS explanation and configuration. Want tighter control over your Windows Server environment? In this video, we'll explain ADCS, how to configure it, and how to troubleshoot common issues. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. What is Active Directory Certificate Services, or ADCS? Think of ADCS as your network's digital ID system. It issues and manages certificates that encrypt communication, verify identities, and ensure data integrity. It's built into Windows Server and provides in-house public key infrastructure PKI. Creating a secure PKI starts with installing and configuring Active Directory Certificate Services. Before starting, make sure you have a Windows Server, OS, Active Directory, domain services set up, a static IP, admin privileges. To install ADCS on a Windows server, follow these steps. Click on the Start menu and launch Server Manager. Select Manage and click Add Roles and Features. Choose Role-Based or Feature-Based Installation from the Add Roles and Features wizard. Then click Next. In Server Selection, select your server, then click Next. Scroll down and select Active Directory Certificate Services. Click Add Features, then click Next. Choose the ADCS role services you want to install, then click Next. After reviewing your selections, select Restart the destination server automatically if required, then click Install. Once done, click Close. You can now configure your ADCS. To configure ADCS, make sure that the installation is done and you have clicked Close. Then, select the notification flag in Server Manager and find the message to begin post-deployment configuration. Click the link to start the configuration. Even if you configure ADCS perfectly, you might encounter some issues. Here are common ADCS issues and how to resolve them. Template errors. Double-check misconfigured templates. CA won't start. Check event logs, permissions, ports. Revocation issues. Ensure CRL or OCSP responders are working. Enrollment failures, confirm permissions, and CA connectivity. Expired or revoked certs. Set up alerts and check CRL access. Chain validation, ensure full certificate chain is trusted. Client-side issues. Sync time, allow network or firewall access. For more information, check out our official blog post on Active Directory Certificate Services, ADCS explanation and configuration, linked in the description below.